Hello YouTubers, it's Chris, and what I'm going to do today is replace the sacrificial anode on a water heater, 50-gallon water heater. I installed this water heater when it failed back in 2012. Yeah, 2012 on the side there, and it's not a pleasant job. I've done probably 10 of these, so I just started saying, you know what, I'm going to just replace the anode every 3 years, I think. But yeah, so the tank is made of stainless steel. The anode, which I have the new one here, is made of, you can get them in aluminum or zinc if you have a bacteria problem and stinky smell water, or I prefer magnesium because it's a little bit softer. You have to replace it more often, but that's all right. And you can see that it comes, they're kind of strung together like sausage links. So in the event that you have to, if you have a low ceiling clearance, you can pull this out without. Actually, you can replace it, and you can bend the old one to get it out and kind of destroy it, but you don't want to do that. Putting this one, so you can just feed it in. And I know the one I'm going to take out of there is also made out of these kind of linked pieces. And it's funny that when you buy a water heater, the only difference between the warranty on a 6-year, a 9-year, and a 12-year water heater is the thickness of these anodes. So for example, this is how thick a 6-year warranty is, this is a 9-year warranty, and this is like a 12-year warranty. It's just the thickness of this anode, and it'll last longer, and this dissolves away before the tank. So what we're going to do is, what you need a submersible pump, something that will fit under the drain here, a big length of garden hose if you're below grade, so you can use the submersible pump to pump it into a basin or up and out a window. An electrical cord. Yeah. Big 3/4 inch drive socket. Driver with a 1 1/16 6-point socket on the end. You're going to need some muscle to get that off. Hence, I've got the enforcer. So I turned the temperature down to all the way down as low as it would go. So the flame's been off for a while. You want to make sure it's not scalding hot. You want to let the water level drop. At least part way down. It doesn't have to be all the way out, but unless you want to flush the entire tank, which is a good thing to do procedurally every couple of years. But we're not going to drain any water out of it yet, because we're going to need all the weight of the water in this thing to hold it still while we put this big breaker bar on here. You don't want to be twisting the pipes around. So let's go up here and have a look at what's going on up here. So fortunately, there it is. Sometimes they're enshrouded in plastic or insulation or something like that. So we're gonna just put this on here. All right. So we have the socket and the brake and the driver on. The nut 1 1/16. We're gonna slide this big breaker bar, it's about 4 feet long, this goes all the way over to here, and I'm going to put some, hopefully enough force that you don't want to take it all the way out, you just want to break it, then you can kind of start drawing the water off. So I'm just going to push. There it goes. Brilliant. And yeah, okay. So it's coming off. That's a good sign. Now we can drain the water out. We'll open up a faucet upstairs to allow it to drain down faster, allow air into the system. Maybe I'll flush the whole thing out, I'm not sure, but let's just get it down to the point where we can remove the anode, and we'll take it from there. Okay, so the water shut off. I opened up the faucet upstairs to allow air to drain into this. Now what we're going to do is just hook a hose to this submersible pump. Pop that in here. Interesting. pumping. All right. Out it comes. All right, let's take this down and have a look at it. So there's obvious signs of corrosion here. Looks like it's been doing what it's supposed to do. There's still quite a bit to it, but we're going to replace it with a new one. Yeah. So I like to just kind of rough it up with a little fine sandpaper, get any oxidation off of it, so we have complete exposure of the anode, all those good ions in the water, those good electrolytes. This comes with it. A little bit of Teflon tape around the threads. Now you want to make sure that you do have thread contact with the tank itself, so you don't want this completely insulating the anode from the tank, because then you won't get the chemical, you won't get the electron transfer that you're interested in. So these threads will cut through, and they will make it easier to extract in a couple of years when I do this again. Just a little bit like that. Just clean all this goop out of here. Just want to thread this in. Like so. Alright, so the water has basically stopped coming out, so now what we're going to do is just blast the cold water in there to swirl around the bottom of this tank, and we'll see what kind of sediment comes out. Let that drain out. Do it a couple of times. For years. That's nasty. Right, turn on the pump, we'll get that out of there. Cycles of that until the water starts running clear, and we're done. We'll charge it up, check the leaks. All right, last blast of water. It's running clean now, so that's it. We're just going to fill it up, pressurize it. Make sure there's no leak up at the hex nut up on the top of the anode. We're good to go. All right, let's turn the water on. Fill it up. here to come up to the top. All right, well, we'll check on it in a couple of minutes and close the valves and the faucets, and we should be good to go. So lastly, let's take a look at this length of anode here that I pulled out. You can see that a lot of the magnesium has actually been kind of just displaced by different calcareous deposits and things here. I mean, it's not even magnesium anymore. It's just kind of, you know, all this stuff. I guess if we dig in there a little bit, we can reach a core. But that's what it's supposed to do. I just try to, yeah, there we go. There's a little bit right there. So yeah, that's what it's all about. So change your anode and enjoy long water heater life. Cheers everyone, and thank you for watching as always. Bye.